Major funding for the bus is provided by the National Science Foundation, supporting education and research in science foundations and mathematics and technology. And Microsoft Home supports the bus and other programs that further mass innovation, sex, and additional funding is provided by the National Energy Foundation and Carnegie Corporation of New York, and
the annual financial support of you.
Visit your local library and read more about science in the bus and other science libraries. Visit local libraries. Bus.
by